In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Wrike on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, just locate the Teams icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and go ahead and open it up. Now that Teams is open, look over to the sidebar or the tabs at the top of your window. You should see an icon for the Wrike application. In case you can't find it right away, you might need to scroll through your apps or maybe even search for Wrike if the list is long. Once you've found the Wrike app, click on it to open it up. What you'll see next is the main integration screen for Wrike. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll notice a big green button that says Log In. Go ahead and click that button. It's easy as pie. After clicking on the Login button, you'll be greeted by a secure login window that pops up. Here's where you'll need to enter your credentials. First, type your email address in the space provided, and once you've done that, click on the Next button. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Be sure to type it in carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check to avoid any typos. Once you've entered your password, click the Login button. Now, if everything goes smoothly, you should be logged into Wrike without any issues. However, there's one more handy tip I want to share with you. After you've logged in, you may see an option that allows you to remember your login details for next time. It will usually be a checkbox or button that says Remember Me or Keep Me Logged In. If you select this option, you won't have to enter your email and password every time you log in, which can save you some time. And that's pretty much it. You're now all set to use Wrike directly through Microsoft Teams. This makes collaboration even easier and keeps everything in one place, helping streamline your projects without having to shift back and forth between apps. If you run into any issues during the login process, check to make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, connectivity problems can cause hiccups while trying to log in. Also, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Most login screens have a password option that will guide you through resetting it. So to recap what we did today, we opened the Wrike app within Microsoft Teams, clicked the Login button, entered our credentials, and optionally set the app to remember us for next time. It's really that simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video, as it really helps out the channel and allows us to create more content for you. Happy task managing with Wrike in Microsoft Teams, and see you in the next